Okay. Question is, at what time between 2 and 3 o'clock will the hands of a clock be together? Together means both long hand and short hand should come on the same line. At 2 o'clock, long hand will be at 12 and short hand will be at 2. Because long hand moves faster than short hand, at some point in between 2 and 3 they meet together. How do we know at what time exactly they meet together? At 2 o'clock, long hand and short hand are exactly 10 minutes apart from each other. 10 minutes means this is 5 minute spaces and this is 5 minute spaces. Total 10 minute spaces apart from each other. To meet shorthand, longhand needs to gain 10 minutes. As we already know, to gain 55 minutes, longhand takes 60 minutes. To gain 10 minutes, how much time it takes? That we don't know, so I am taking it as x. Now we need to do cross multiplication, that is x into 55 is equal to 60 into 10. X is equal to 60 into 10 by 55. 5 2s and 5 11s. 60 into 2 is 120 by 11. We can also write this as 10 and 10 by 11. Answer will be they meet together at 2 and 10 by 11 minutes. Previously we have solved this problem using concept. Now we will solve using formula. To get angle between two hands, formula is mod 30h minus 11 by 2 m. This is the formula to get angle between both hands. Here h represents hours, m represents minutes. When they are together, angle between them will be 0. So when this will be 0, this is what we need to solve. Here in our question, in between 2 and 3 o'clock, so we need to take whichever is lesser. So I am taking 2 as a hour. 30 into 2 minus 11 by 2 into m. M is what we need to find out, minutes. At what minute they meet together. 30 into 2 is 60 minus 11 by 2 m is equal to 0. If we move minus 11 by 2 m that side, it will be plus 11 by 2. 11 by 2 m is equal to 60. M is equal to 60 into 2 by 11. It will be 120 by 11. We can write this as 10 and 10 by 11. This is same as previous answer. So exactly at 10 by 11 minutes they meet together. Next question is, at what time between 3 and 4 o'clock both the needles will coincide each other? At 3 o'clock long hand will be at 12 and short hand will be at 3. Currently long hand is 15 minutes apart from short hand. 5, 5 and 5, total 15 minutes. So long hand needs to gain 15 minutes to meet short hand. As we already know, 55 minute spaces will be gained in 60 minutes. So 15 minute spaces will be gained in how much time? That we don't know. That is why I am taking that as x. We need to do cross multiplication now. 55 into x is equal to 60 into 15. X is equal to 60 into 15 by 55. 5 3s and 5 11s. Total 180 by 11. We can write this as 16 and 4 by 11 minutes. This is the answer. Now we will solve the problem using formula. To get the angle, formula is mod 30h minus 11 by 2 m. When they are coincide, angle will be 0. Here hour is 3, whichever is small we will take that. Out of 3 and 4, 3 is small, so I am taking it as 3, and 11 by 2 m. M is what we need to identify. 30 into 3, 90, minus 11 by 2 m. And if we move minus 11 by 2 m right side, that will be 11 by 2 m is equal to 90. So m is equal to 90 into 2 by 11, 180 by 11. We can write this as 16 and 4 by 11. This is the answer, 16 and 4 by 11 minutes. Next question is, at what time between 9 and 10 o'clock will the hands of a watch be together? At 9, long hand will be at 12 and short hand will be at 9. How much long hand needs to gain to meet 9? Always we need to take clockwise difference. This is very important. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 into 5, 45 minutes spaces apart from each other, because we are taking clockwise. To meet shorthand, long hand needs to gain 45 minute spaces. As we already know, 55 minute spaces will be gained in 60 minutes and 45 minute spaces will be gained in what time? We don't know that. That's why I'm taking it as x, and let's do the cross multiplication. X into 55 is equal to 60 into 45. X is equal to 60 into 45 by 55. 5 9s and 5 11s. 60 into 9, 540 by 11. So how can we write this? 540, 11 4s are 44, difference is 10 and we take 0, and 11 9s are 99 and difference is 1. We can write this as 49 and 1 by 11 minutes. This is the answer. Now we will solve same question using formula. To get the angle, formula is mod 30h minus 11 by 2m, and when they are coincide, angle will be 0. Here hour is 9, 30 into 9 minus 11 by 2m is equal to 0. If we move minus 11 by 2m right side, it will be 11 by 2m is equal to 30 into 9 is 270. M is equal to 270 into 2 by 11. This is 540 by 11. As we have solved in previous question, this can be written as 49 and 1 by 11. This is the answer.